Hi, my name is Freda Obeng-Ampofo, and I am the founder of Kaeme Body Care, a premium personal care company based in Accra, serving customers all over the world. We specialize in self-care, and we're big on memories, remembrance, and sustainability. Entrepreneurship for me is quite sophisticated, actually. I think you just have to have the guts for it, and I don't think it's for everyone. I would say my entrepreneurship journey started at a very young age. I remember, growing up, my house had a lot of fruits all over, all sorts of fruits. We used to call the house Garden of Eden because we had a lot of fruits. And I remember I will just pluck the fruits when they're in season and go sell it in the market during market days. And I will kind of compete with my brother as to who sold the most mango or oranges or banana. I also remember quite early selling pure water. I mean, it wasn't the pure water, it was the one that you tie in the rubber. I think these days we use them for ice blocks at the military stations. But those days, before pure water came, you used to tie the water in a rubber and then sell it. So I remember selling those as well. So I would say entrepreneurship has kind of been part of my blood. But I think what I actually truly enjoy doing is actually creating things, creating memories, creating products that make people happy. And so that's, I think, yeah, that's a bit about me and how my entrepreneurship journey kind of started and sort of my zeal and passion for it. I started Kaeme because I think I had traveled globally and seen shea butter used all over the world, and really there wasn't much credit given to the countries that actually produced the shea butter, but also saw a lot of kind of bad negative narrative about Africa in the news. And I saw that we did have amazing raw materials here, but really nobody was giving us credit for it. So part of being able to tell our own narrative and owning it, I decided to just create a brand made in Ghana, serving the world, as part of a small way for me to also tell the Ghanaian and African story. Entrepreneurship is not easy. So just know that you have to work hard for it. It's not just about the spotlights in the news and in media every day. You have to work, sometimes 24/7. But you also have to learn to be smart. Work smart, not hard. And that's something that we can talk about later on. But also focus. There's a lot going on. This person is doing this, competitor this. Please forget all the noise and focus on what it is that you want to do and just do it well. So that's the advice I have for young women looking to get into entrepreneurship. And take care of yourself. Wellness is very important. I think it's based on the individual. Wellness looks different for everyone, whatever that means for you. I think you do what works for you. I'm a big fan of do what works for you, do you. But it could look like many different things. It could look like doing your hair every day. It could look like staying in bed longer on certain days. It could look like drinking more water. It could look like spending more time with friends and family. It could look like just spending time with yourself, just relaxing and reflecting. So it could look like so many different things to so many different people. You just have to figure out what's good for you, what works for you, and then make it work. So do you. Okay, 2 fun facts. Okay. I have run over 9 full marathons globally. So I know in Ghana, when people say marathon, marathon is like marathon. 5K to people is a marathon. No, a full marathon is 42 kilometers. So I've done at least 9 globally. I really enjoy running. That's one way of keeping my wellness, of being well, of keeping sane. So that's one fun fact about me. I enjoy running. Don't ask me why, I just enjoy it. The other fun fact about me is I'm a twin. So I have a twin brother. So yes, yeah, so that's it. I think I will probably speak to women, young women directly, and just encourage them to be bold. Yeah, be bold. I mean, there's a lot that has happened for women. We've come a long way, but there's definitely still a lot of ways to go. But I think part of it also kind of depends on us as women to take the steps that's needed to move us forward. So one of my words this year is to be bold. So I'm also encouraging all women to be bold, take that bold step. Yeah, just take that bold step. Yeah, be different.